So how did you discover neurofeedback?
Neurofeedback is something I heard about when I was in my doctoral program. Dr. Randy Lyle was a professor of mine who happened to be one of the pioneers in the field, and I just was fortunate enough to be exposed to that while getting my doctoral training.
What's some of the benefits of neurofeedback?
Neurofeedback is really dealing with the neuronal components of the brain. So when we talk about doing neurofeedback training, we're really assessing for problems that exist and working at that neuronal level. So changes that are made are permanent, whereas a lot of other options generally tend to treat symptoms. This really works at the core issues.
How does neurofeedback help people improve their sleep performance?
Specifically for sleep, we look at dysregulation and we look at maintaining. So if we have someone that comes in that is either not able to fall asleep, we can do specific adjustments for that. Or if they have sleep maintenance issues, then we can address that as well. Usually we're talking about under or over arousal of certain parts of the brain.
You were mentioning the various factors of sleep. Can you describe those to me real quickly?
Sure. When you're sleeping, predominantly you're producing delta frequencies. That's the number one sleep frequency wave. And then you go through a series of stages of sleep where you might pull on and create more of any particular waveform. So when we talk about sleep maintenance or dysregulation issues, there's usually an imbalance in some form of those wave patterns.
Anything else you'd like to tell us? What would you tell your mother if she didn't know anything about neurofeedback or your practice? What would you tell her?
I think I would say it's just a really great alternative to some of the therapies that are out there. It really works at addressing the issue for what it is, and it can be very individualized. So we're talking about treatment that can really specifically address any potential issues you have that are specific to you.